Last video I built the invoice generator with Claude Code. It works, but I still had to open it, fill it, and send the PDF myself every single time. Not anymore. I wired make.com. Now the whole thing runs automatically. Client submits, invoice gets emailed, entry gets logged. I'll show you exactly how I built this in 15 minutes. So we're on make.com. We're going to create our first scenario. We're going to start off with webhooks, custom webhook. I already generated the invoice generator and got the URL already. Then the second module is gonna be the Gmail. I have my personal Gmail actually connected. So in the subject, you put invoice. In the text, I'm gonna put the text body of how I want the email to look. I'm gonna put my email for now. We're gonna save it for it to be activated already. So I get the other things. We're gonna actually plug in more things later on. Now we're gonna do Google Sheets. We're gonna enter it manually. I already created the spreadsheet of all the tabs that I want. And then when you get the spreadsheet, for the spreadsheet URL, you want to just copy its spreadsheet ID, not the whole URL. And the sheet name is going to be sheet 1. And for the columns, I'm going to put A to Z. But I'd rather have it E to G, but it's okay. I'm going to manually put them in for now. So invoice. Date. Client made. Client email. Amount. Status. Sent at. And then now we're gonna go into Claude Code, and I'm gonna put in the first prompt that I'm gonna tell it. I'm gonna include my webhook URL. I want you to have it all included into the GitHub repository. Now it's running, and it's gonna index the HTML that we had created. So it's done. I'm gonna put in the second prompt as well, but I'm gonna push it first to GitHub, so it has all of it inside it already. It's pushed. Now I'll put the second prompt. For the send to client button is clicked. Sending. We don't need to push this, it's already in there. It's already in the GitHub repository. And then I remember from the last video we already hosted this from Netherfly. So I'm just gonna fill it out right now. Josh Jim again. My personal tax rates and just an equipment. Personal training sessions. Put the quantity as 2. Put it at 1500. Let's run it. And it's not gonna work, this one, and I'm gonna show you guys why. And this is actually what I actually wanted to troubleshoot with you guys as well. So I'm gonna bring up the email of how it came out. See, it's blank because our webhook didn't read our sheets. We manually put it in. So now I'm gonna go back into make.com. And it's gonna have all the variables. As you can see now, I'm checking the variables, and so in Google Sheets we're gonna literally put it in, do the variables now by just typing it in. So for invoice number, we're just gonna put the invoice number variable. Date, we're gonna put invoice date. Client's name. This guy's name. And we put in Alex Johnson. That was a previous test as well. So Alex Johnson is gonna be the person. Client's email. Invoice. Status. Which is gonna be due date. And sent at total. I'm gonna save this. Hope it didn't fit. Double checking, save it. And now we go to Gmail. We're also gonna change the body too. We're gonna put the client's email, which is my personal for a test run. We're also gonna change the client's name from the variable actually listed over there. You can't read it by you just putting it in from the prompt. Annoying how sometimes it goes before the comma and after like. We're also going to change the invoice number to invoice number but the variable, and the date we're going to change it to the invoice date as well. And total, we're just going to put the total but the variable same way. And save it. If you want to change the name first, it's Johnson. I go back, save it, and then we're gonna run it once using existing data. and then we get sent to client right away, and then right away I got the email. Perfect. So now we have to do it with our own PDF. It automated perfectly. We got the invoice. We got the. If you watched last video, I built the invoice generator app. This video we automated it. The next video is where I'm gonna take this even further. I'm going to show you how to replace your entire client intake process with Claude plus Make.com. No more back and forth emails. No more scheduling confusion. The whole thing automated. Subscribe so you can catch that one that when it drops. And the free Cloud Business Stack PDF is in the description. 10 props that replace your most expensive business tasks. Completely free. Link is below. Drop in the comments, what would you automate first?